किसान विरोधी मोदी सरकार
This
मुर्दाबाद।
is the protest of the farmers, and we,
काला
the
कानून
MPs,
रद्द
feel
करो।
that we stand with the farmers. We
काला
have to be
कानून
with
रद्द
them.
करो।
They are the people who feed the country,
किसान विरोधी मोदी
and we
सरकार
feel
मुर्दाबाद।
as MPs our duty,
किसान विरोधी
moral
मोदी
duty,
सरकार
our
मुर्दाबाद।
political duty, our constitutional duty is to be with the farmers, and we will be with them. We will be with them. The parliament is meant for them, not for the rulers. Parliament is the people's parliament. A people's parliament has a duty to listen and to solve the people's problems. The most important problem, pressing problem today is the farmers' issues. And for more than 2 months, the government is sitting like a rock over the farmers' issues. So we feel that we have a duty, political duty, to register our protest. That's why the opposition parties today protest.
See, you must have seen the farmers' protest throughout the country, not only in Delhi, everywhere. And we are in support of the farmers' protest, and the police, Delhi police and UP police are trying to sabotage the farmers' protest by attacking the farmers, and we are resisting our protest on that particular issue. And the 3 bills were passed by the House, by the Rajya Sabha, by sabotaging the parliamentary procedure and also by sabotaging the constitutional norms, and that is why we are opposed to that. When a huge agitation take place, you must have seen more than 5 lakh, more than 7 lakh people had participated in the Kisan parade, and violence, those who went for violence is only very few. And if we want to highlight that very few people who had unleashed all violence, but at the same time you must see the peaceful protest where lakhs of farmers had participated, where lakhs of all sections of the society had participated. We are with them, those who participated. They are in crores. We are with them, those who had participated in the peaceful march, and those who had made those violences. That is in fact sponsored by the BJP government. It is very clear from the evidence. It was a particular group which was sponsored. In fact, the government had allowed these people to take violence, because government can pause this violence so as to sabotage the farmers' movement, and that is why they had allowed these people to enter till Red Fort. In fact, if you look at the route which is being provided to the Samyukta Kisan Morcha and All India Kisan Coordination Committee, they were given a particular route, and those other people, a group, a particular section was given a separate route. Why that separate route was being given? And secondly, even the allowed route for the Samyukta Kisan Morcha, that was being prevented after 13 kilometers. In fact, 42 kilometers were allowed by the police, and that was prevented after 13 kilometers, and the police had unleashed violence against farmers, and at the same time the same police did not take any action against those particular group which went up to the Red Fort. Why? Because government want to ensure that there should be some violence, so that government can pose that violence to sabotage the farmers movement. That is what had happened. Sure. You can see in the parliament also what you are seeing outside the parliament, what you are seeing as part of the farmers' protest. The same spirit, the same spirit will be reflected in the parliament also.